In this video, you will learn how to calculate percentage change in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have three column data. First column shows the new price, second one shows the old price of the item, and this one shows the percentage change. The positive sign shows the value is increased and negative sign shows the value is decreased. For example, in this case, old price was 110 and new price is 165 and there is a 50% increase in price. Similarly, in this case, you can see here old price was 130 and new price is 110 and there is a minus 15% decrease in price. So let's learn how to calculate percentage change in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, select the cell where you are interested to display the result. I am interested to display the result in this cell. Click here, select this cell. After selecting desired cell, type equal sign. Now select the new price divided by old price minus 1. I will repeat this formula, equal sign, new price divided by old price minus 1. After typing this formula, simply press enter. Now you can see here we have successfully calculated the percentage change in price. You don't need to apply this formula for remaining rows. Simply select this one, place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to apply this formula for remaining rows. Now you can see here we have successfully calculated the percentage change in Microsoft Excel. Positive sign shows the increase and negative sign shows the decrease in value. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.